Hello, today we will guide you through how to place a trade in XM. To begin, open XM and make sure you are on the main account area or dashboard. This is where you can access the platform tools needed to view available instruments and submit a trade. If you are already logged in, you should be ready to continue. Take a moment to confirm that the page is fully loaded so all navigation options are visible and easy to use. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where XM lists the instruments you can browse and trade. Opening the market area helps you move from the account dashboard into the trading environment, where you can review available products and choose the one you want to work with. Once you are in the market section, select a sample symbol. This means choosing the instrument you want to trade from the list provided. Depending on what you see on your screen, the symbol may be displayed with pricing information, a chart, or a product name. Be sure you click the correct symbol, since this will open that product's trading details page. After selecting the symbol, move to the top right panel of the screen. Here you will see the option to either buy or sell. This is the point where you decide the direction of your trade. Choosing buy means you are placing a trade based on the expectation that the price may move upward, while sell means you are trading in the opposite direction. Make sure you select the option that matches your intended trade before moving on. Once you have chosen buy or sell, click on Place Order. This step sends your trade setup to the order window so you can review it before final submission. It is a good idea to pause briefly here and check that the order details shown on screen match what you intended to enter. Finally, click on Confirm Order. This completes the process and submits the trade. After confirmation, the platform should process the order and display that it has been placed successfully. At this stage, it is helpful to watch for any confirmation message or updated position information so you know the trade is now active. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of placing a trade in XM, from opening the market section to confirming the final order. Follow each screen carefully, review your selections before confirming, and you'll be able to complete the process smoothly.